Welcome again. This is Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue, walking through niche competition in the auto detailing space in the Atlanta region. In this video, you can see that we targeted these keywords: mobile detailing near me, car detailing, auto detailing, mobile detailing, and car interior cleaning. Looking at the competition during the 24-hour period that we ran this, you can see that it's actually not all that competitive. At the most, we were running about 5 competitors at a time in the region. That's pretty low compared to many that we've seen. If you look at the search competition, you can see that there was a reasonable amount of competition there overall, with Mobile Detailing Atlanta and Detailing Atlanta being the top 2 competitors. What I'm going to do is look at the top 2 advertisers and their landing page and their ad copy. So if we go to advertisers and we take a look at the top advertisers, we look at Detailing Atlanta, and let's take a look at their ads. In their ads, you see they have 149 complete car detailing offer. They do have extensions in their ads, so they have an offer, they have extensions. Let's take a look at their landing page. Their landing page is part of their website, as you can see, but it's fairly decent. I'm not sure that it's responsive based on its appearance, but you can see that you definitely can tell what they're here for. Mobile detailers, we come to you detailing, scratch removal, odor removal, cars, bikes, RVs, and boats. So that is the #1 advertiser in the area. Let's take a look at the #2 advertiser in the area. Whoops. Let me go back one more. Let's look at Mobile Detailing Atlanta. Let's take a look at their ads. #1 same day mobile car detail, $50. They have an offer for new customers. So they've got numbers, extensions. Let's take a look at their landing page. And not a bad landing page. Emails for fast photo, work photo, car detailing, truck detailing, and more. And apparently it's a website, not just a landing page. 12 reasons to choose us, etc., etc. So not too bad. My assessment of this market is that with a limited number of advertisers in here, the Atlanta market is wide open for detailers who want to throw some money at it and get their advertisement out there and get found in Atlanta for auto detailing. There's a lot of opportunity there, given the limited number of advertisers per hour. That's a quick wrap-up of this video. If you have any questions, let me know. If you need a hosted landing page with call and lead tracking built in for $99 a month, reach out to us. Otherwise, you can find us at inboundrevenue.com. We look forward to connecting with you.